All right, so in this video, we'll be doing the custom text ad. So for the custom text ad, you add custom text to your ad to give customers a glimpse of the book. So let's say you have a book on a color diet, so you might write a little copy, to get the customer to understand what that particular product is all about. So let me go to the Amazon platform, and then possibly I will show us how a custom text look like. So let me go to Amazon.com. So Amazon.com. Okay, yeah. So perfect. So these are anytime you see books that are on ad, you will see sponsored attached to it. So this book is on ad, but this is a standard text. Is a standard ad. Sorry, this is standard text. A standard ad. Either the author is doing a kind of keyword targeting or product targeting, but this is standard ad. But if you look at this one, this is a custom text ad. You see this thing that the author added here. This, are you interested in finding more natural and holistic method to treat your illness and ailment, right? So this is more like a little text, to emphasize what this book is all about, right? So it's a simple concept that anybody can just do. So you just go through it. You see another custom text ad here. So you just have to write a short copy like this. So let me see how I can copy this so that I can just go and demonstrate it quickly for us, because sometimes it's quite challenging to know exactly what you should write, as far as that section is concerned. So let me drop it here. Let me say, are you interested in this? Let me just copy this out because this is what I want. So I'll go back to my campaign setup. So custom text. So, and one of the rules is that you can't run custom text ad for more than one book. So let me show us. Immediately you add this, you can't add custom text. Yeah, custom text. You can't add different varieties of book. That's the logic. You can't add different varieties of book. So I've added this. These are all German version of my book. You see. So when I go close to adding the Spanish version of my book, what are they saying? Custom text ad can only be used for different format of the same book. So my book is paperback, hardcover, ebook, right? So I can use custom text ad for only a particular book. I can't add another book to that. I don't know whether you guys get the concept. Yeah. So that is how custom text ad work. So anywhere this book is displayed, um the the custom text that I'll be adding will definitely display just like we saw it on this author's work here, right? So let me go back. I've selected a book that I want to run ad for, so I will scroll down. So for the custom text ad, you can still do automatic or manual targeting. So the concept are straightforward, is the same thing, so I won't have to drag on this again. So the suggested bid, you can set it up here, bid by this, yeah. So let me also take the time to explain this, since I didn't explain that in the other video. So here we have close match. So the close match concept is what? We will show your ad to shopper who use search terms closely related to your product. If your product is Dupla 400 count cotton sheet, we will show an ad when shoppers use search terms like cotton sheet and 400 count sheet. You get the logic there. So close match. So they might not necessarily be searching for that exact word or for that exact keyword, but any phrase that is closely related to the keywords that you are ranking for, Amazon will make your book to be visible for that keyword. Loose match. So the loose match concept is we will show your ad to shoppers who use search terms loosely loosely related to your product. If your product is Dupla, whatever, just the same way, we will show your ad when shoppers uses search terms like bed sheet, bath sheet, bath towel. You got the point. So loose match. So they might not necessarily be searching for cotton sheet, but anything related to, you know towel, but all of that, they will definitely display it for it. So that is that. Then substitute, we will show your ad to shoppers who use detailed pages of products similar to yours. If your product is this, we will show your ad on detailed pages that include this. So that is a concept. And then complement the same logic. So you read through this, you get the logic there. So in all of this, I still want to have a different bid. I don't want them to use this as suggested because this is going to be highly expensive on me, right? So I'll have to spend too much. So I'll still use my regular 0.27, 0.27, 0.27. Okay. So, and then I will move down. So negative keywords, still the same concept. So what are the keywords that you don't want your book to be visible for? Even though you are using custom text, you enter all of them here and you click on add keywords and you move on. So creative, here is a section where you now add that text that we copied from that place. So I've already copied it out. So I will click enter. So there is a limit. There is a limit to the number of words that you can add here. So remaining 49. So custom text. What is a custom text? Write a custom text to draw readers to your book. So this is more like a smart copy. You understand? Something captivating. You add it up here. So character remaining 49. So let me keep typing and see when I get to the end to see how many stuff. Okay, so you see, so you can add a very captivating concept up to this level, to your hard copy. You can add something up to this level to your hard copy, and when it's done, this is how it will display. So when customers see your book title and all of that, they still see something, a captivating statement that draw them into reading your book. Yeah. So when you are done writing that, you still come back to the bidding strategy. Is either you are using a bid up and down or the bid dynamics or whatever. So the dynamic down only or the fix. So also you do your setup just like we did in our first in the other video, and then you also set your campaign, your daily target, and all of that. So as soon as you are done, you click on launch campaign, and when you click on launch campaign, your ad will go through a review. So the Amazon campaign bodies or whoever they are, they will review your stuff, and then if your content align with their policies and there is no issue, your campaign will go live within 5 minutes or within 10 minutes. And if there is any issue, they will mail it to you telling you that a so number of book that you have entered doesn't meet up with their requirement. And for that reason, they won't be launching your campaign. So that is that for the custom text ad, right? So I believe we have done justice to how to run ad. So when you start running your ad for 7 days, just like I said earlier, you gather data. So when you gather data, from the data you gather, you'll be able to know which keyword is performing very well, which keyword is not performing very well. You also be able to know which of your book is selling well, which of them is not selling well, which of them is getting more clicks and no sales, and which of them is getting clicks and sales. So you gather all of those informations, and then you get to know what to do. And keywords that are doing very well, you can either increase the bid so that that keyword keep performing more, or and then keywords that are not doing very well, you remove them automatically so that you don't keep spending money on them unnecessarily. It's a logical concept. You have a product in your shop that is not selling, you remove that product from your shop and you put in new product that will sell very well. And then if you have a product that is selling very well in your shop, you buy more copies of that product to make it available to your customers as they come, and make demand for that product. That is the logic here. So that is that for the ad, Amazon ad. Yeah, that's all about Amazon ad. But as we keep moving, if there are other things we discovered, we'll keep sharing it as far as this training is concerned. That is why it is a mentorship program. So you get to learn on a consistent basis. As I discover new concept, I will definitely share it with you guys so that all of us grow at the same pace. Yeah, thank you and God bless you.